Is this what you want? Oh my god. I'm gonna hand feed you. Always comes out of that. Okay. You can give some to Obama. See? Whole chicken. Yeah, he doesn't like the pumpkin. See? Chicken. It's okay. You get the purina then, alright? Eat that. Eat a little bit. Oh.
It's canned food.
If I make it, he eats it. It's like, oh my god. Is that sushi?
It is sushi.
Yeah, it is sushi. Oh. Alright. Sushi. Sushi.
It's fine if you handmade it.
Alright, Tara. Sushi.
Told you it doesn't matter. There's some chicken here.
Alright, Tara.
Tastes way better if you handmade it.
See? It's handmade. This looks disturbing. If a Japanese guy hold this, the price go up 3 times. Oh, 日本語喋るのか。それは素晴らしい。Oh, he pushed me. Wow. さあ。ぷぷぷ。
He's used to it. Good boy.
Come on, dog. Poo poo. Squeeze it out of the cheeks.
He's trying. He's trying.
You need more attention here. Is that what it is? Make a stinker.
Don't shake him. Don't shake him.
Make the poo super stinking.
Stop shaking him.
Stinky poo poo stinker.